Hello, welcome to Akila. Today we will go over Akila's asset module and how you can use it to manage and optimize individual assets within your digital twin. The asset module lets you monitor asset condition and predict potential failures before they occur, preventing costly downtime and ensuring smooth operation. This proactive approach to asset management can significantly improve your organization's operational efficiency and reliability. It first starts with your equipment. You can add your standard and IoT assets here in our equipment ledger and add all relevant information to them. You can attach PDFs, photos, and technical documents to all your different pieces of equipment, creating a centralized location for all this information. Akila allows you to create preventative maintenance plans for all your equipment. Preventive maintenance schedules are plans for keeping equipment, machines, and facilities in good working order. The goal is to avoid equipment breakdowns and issues by performing regular maintenance tasks and checkups. Your team can access all their assigned work orders directly from the Akila mobile app. Akila creates unique QR codes for each piece of equipment that can be scanned to access work orders assigned to it. The inspector can also select which work order they'd like to complete from this list. As you can see, Akila's asset module can improve your operational efficiency by simplifying how work orders are completed and giving visibility across your entire organization.